Hello, Prophets, and welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis by the Crypto Prophet. Let's dive right into the charts here. Boy, oh boy, have we been coming down. This is the daily time frame. So as you can see, the EMA ribbons had flipped back up to a bullish formation, but now we've totally flipped over and we've just continued to dump. We've continued to drop down. Now we're back at our low from the end of January when we had that big, massive downturn since we were up high last November when the EMA ribbons had flipped and we went down into a bearish, essentially a bear market, really since November. So now all the way to May now, consider that a bear market. Check this out. Option one that I had mapped out a few months ago, totally following option one, because we got into this red in the Gaussian channel. This is the 5-day, actually. So when we go back in time with the 5-day, it's never light at the end of the tunnel very soon. So once the red prints, really don't come out of it. 290 days. That was last time. We've already gone through this before in past videos. This was the Corona Dump anomaly, which actually didn't really go down any further. But let's just go back a little bit further back in time. Let's see if we can catch another. Well, we can't go further back in this on the Coinbase chart here, but it is a possibility that we are in this thing. And let's just map out that 290 just for fun, just to give us a reference. That's bringing us to next January. Where we would begin to get out of the green, and that's it coming even lower. So we'd be looking next January here to get out of that, and that's kind of this option one. That's what we based that on before. But as you can see, this is just following my line really nicely coming down. So we've been able to get these lots of different trades here, but certainly let's see if I can pull right here. We're in one now. You can see we're up 800 on the day. We're up 100 right now. Not too big of a position at this point, 17,000. We took a lot of profits out of this one, kind of waiting to see. As you can see, we've got a lot of different entry points ready if this kind of tips back up. Even another take profit down here as well. So that's just kind of a little insight into what we're doing. And so I kind of target these levels where we've hit before in the past that we could retrace back to. And catch kind of a top as we make our way down. That's what we just did here. This was 11, then we added another 6K to the short. We came right back up here, boom, grabbed it. We've been making our way down. So instead of being 11, we're 17. We're 34% in profit right now on this one. So expecting we're going to take a little bit of profit down here in a little bit, and then it'll go back up. We'll add to the position again, so it's an ongoing thing about building the short position. We're expecting it to come down to 32, maybe even 30K this move over the next week or two, and then begin to make its way back out again. So let's get back to the charts here. Oops. Let's take a look. So bounced off the 200-day. That was back at the end of March, so we did have a rally up end of March, but we've been coming down ever since. We really got rejected hard from the 200, boom, all the way down, back into the wedge. We did have some support here, found this line as resistance, and now we've really just tanked down out of here. In past videos, we went over those EMA ribbons that flipped on the Dow, and Bitcoin, correlates with the Dow as well, certainly. Here on the 8-hour, we were in this channel, so we were ranging in this beautiful channel, and we had mapped out before, but that's never going to last forever. We got a nice, beautiful blood diamond on the 8-hour here. Market cipher A, a couple of days ago, riding that wave down. So we had maneuvered around in this web of a lot of support and resistance, value, prices, and then got rejected real hard off of it. We're in the smaller wedge, fell out of it. Let's go zoom in on the 1 minute here. So we're kind of, then this is where we added, because we have this support and resistance line from the past using it as rejection, come back and try again, got rejected again. We may come back up and try again. We could even get above it, but certainly utilizing market cipher B, stochastic RSIs here, so we're kind of at the top, overbought. Expect that maybe we're using this 55, see these crosses here, this 55 moving average to be rejected from that, and to keep making our way down. So just keeping an eye on this, keep an eye on the charts. There's a lot happening overall. We've been bearish for a while now on this channel. So like the video and look forward to doing another one with you guys real soon, and we'll go through some more TA. And thanks for watching. This is Crypto Prophet, and God bless.